Hi everyone, hope you all are good. Here for grade 10 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter transformations. And the lessons we're going to cover today are classify congruence transformations, translations graph the image, translations find the coordinate, translations write the rule, reflections, and reflections find the coordinates. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is classify congruence transformations. Okay, so here I am on the grade 10 math, the chapter is transformations. The first one is classify congruence transformations, right? So let's just see how do we classify the transformations, right? So here is the shape one. Look at this shape. This is the shape one. Which image shows a translation? You are given three of the shapes A, B, and C. You need to see which of the shape is the image is the translation of the this one, right? Okay, so start with the A. A is the reflection of this shape, right? You can see shape A shows a reflection. Reflect the shape across this line. This is just the reflection of shape, right? Okay, so if you see the B, here is the B. B is the rotation along this point, right? Just image is rotated along this point. You can see the point is common. So B is the rotation, right? And in C, the whole image is moved from this space to this space. That is the translation. In translation, you can move. This is image C shows a translation. Translate the shape up 3 and right 1. You move the image 3 points up and right 1, right? So C is the correct image, C is the translation. Got it? When you translate the image, all the coordinates are exactly new, right? Look at this shape. Which image shows a rotation? Okay, you are given three shapes A, B, C. You need to see which one shows the rotation, right? A is the no. B is the reflection. C is the, I think A is the rotation. Hold on. Yes, now find the image that shows a rotation. Image A shows a rotation. Rotate the shape 90-degree clockwise, right? Because the shape is rotated 90-degree clockwise, so image A is the correct one, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. Look at this shape. Which image shows a translation? A, B, C, which is the correct option? A is the rotation along this point. B is the translation, right? The correct option is B. B is the translation. Okay, look at this shape. Which image shows on translation? So, which is the correct option? A, B, C, which is the translation? B is the translation, right? B is the translation. Okay, look at this shape. Which image shows a rotation? So, which is the correct option? Which one shows the rotation? A is the reflection, B is the rotation, and C is the translation, right? So, rotation is B. B is the rotation. B is rotated along this point. B is the rotation. Look at this shape. Which image shows a translation? Which is the correct option? A, B, C, which is the correct option? Very good. C is the translation. The correct option is C. Okay, look at this shape. Which image shows a rotation? Which is the correct option? Very good. B is the rotation. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next one. The next one is translations graph the image. So let's just see how do we graph the image. Okay, graph the image triangle DEF after the translation 7 unit. Right, so you have to move the image 7 unit. Right, okay. When you move it 7 unit, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E is now here, right? And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it is like this. And this is the triangle that is 7 points, 7 unit, right? Translated, right? You can see here, hold on. Here is the translated image, right? Here is the translated E dash, D dash, F dash. Okay, I did a mistake. Hold on. Let me just see how I made. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. I will see on the, but You have just tutorial for the lesson. Hold on, let's just do again. Because, okay, graph the image of the square JKLM after a translation 5 unit left and 16 unit down. Okay, you have to do 5 left and 16 down. First, let's just move 5 left, right? Okay, one, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 left, okay, and 16 unit down. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 unit down. It is now here. This image is now here. Hold on. This is the translated image, right? L, M, K, and J. That moves 5 unit left and 16 units down. That is the translated image, right? Okay, you can see that is exactly the translated image I made, right? Okay, let's just do another example. The other example is graph the image triangle PQR a translation 6 unit right. Okay, you just have to translate 6 unit, right? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would be here and 1, it would be like this. That is Q dash, R dash, and P dash, right? Got it? That's how you translate the point. Let's just do the next lesson in which you have to calculate the coordinates also. Then that would be very easy to understand. When you translate the image, you have to look for the new coordinates also, right? When you translate the image, all the coordinates are changed. Let's just see the next one. Translations, find the coordinates. Okay. Write the coordinates of the vertices after a transformation. 4 unit left and 3 unit up. Okay, let's just translate 4 unit left and 3 unit up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4 left, right? And just go 3 up. 1, 2, 3. Here is, that is the G. The coordinates of G are 1, 1, right? Okay. The coordinates of F are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 5. Okay, then you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I can't make the exact points here, right? That would be just, okay, let me just calculate the coordinates. 4 unit left and 3 unit right, right? 4 unit left. Okay, let me just write them down here. 5 negative 8, 5 negative 2. Okay, I just want to 5 negative 8, 5 negative 2, and negative 5 negative 9. Okay, and negative 5 negative 9. And you have to translate 5 unit up and 4 left and 3 up, right? 4 left, that means you have to subtract 1, 4, right? When you subtract 4 from here, that would be 1, and 3 up, when you move 3 up, that would be negative 8 plus 3, negative 5. Okay, this one is 5 minus 4, 1, because you have to move 4 left, right? And then you have to move 3 up, you have to add 3, that would be 1. This one is minus 9 and negative 9 negative plus negative 6. These are the new coordinates, right? Okay, let's just do another example. Okay, write the coordinates of the vertices after a translation of 6 unit up. So you have to do 6 unit up, right? Okay, when you move 6 unit up, just y coordinates are changed, right? Negative 4 and 7, 0 and 0. Q is at the origin then, right? And then P is negative 7 and 0. These are the new coordinates, right? Negative 7 0 0 0, negative 4 7. You can see negative 7 0 0 0 and negative 4 7, right? Because you are moving up, just the y coordinate is changed, x coordinate is exactly the same, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, that's the one we just did, I think. Yes, you have to move 6 unit up. So just the y coordinates, you need to move 6 up. Negative 7 0 0 0, negative 4, and the second option is the correct one, right? Okay, write the coordinates of the vertices after a translation of 5 unit left. So you are moving 5 unit left, just the x coordinates are changed, y coordinates are exactly same, right? Okay, 5 left. 3 minus 5, negative 2, negative 6. Negative 2, negative 5. 2 minus 5, negative 3, negative 6. So the coordinates are, you have to basically subtract 5 from the x coordinates, right? Because you are moving left, so just the x coordinates are changed. So option number 1 is the correct option. No, y is the correct option. The 2 is the correct option because just x coordinates, y coordinates must be same. Negative 6, negative 5, negative 6. So second one is the correct option, right? Okay, the next one is, what are the coordinates of the vertices after a translation of 4 unit left and 3 unit up? So you are moving left up, so both x and y coordinates are changed, right? Okay, 4 left. From x you have to subtract 4. 5 minus 4 1, 5 minus 4 1, negative 5, negative 4, negative 9. Then 3 unit up you have to add 3 to y component. Y coordinate negative 8 plus 3, negative 5, negative 2 plus 3, 1, negative 9 plus 3, minus 6. So these are the coordinates, 1, negative 5, 1, 1, negative 9, negative 6, right? So which is the correct option? Option number 1 it is, right? Okay. Write the coordinates of the vertices after a translation 2 unit left and 6 unit down. You are going to translate 2 unit left. So x is changed and then down y is also changed. Left you have to subtract 2 from the x coordinate, negative 2, negative 7, negative 2, negative 9. Negative 6 minus 2, negative 8. Negative 6 minus 2, negative 8. Negative 7 minus 2, negative 9. And you're moving 6 unit down, so y is also, you have to subtract y from y coordinate. 0 minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. 10 minus 6, 4. 10 minus 6, 4. So the coordinates are negative 9, negative 6, negative 8, negative 6, negative 8, 4, and negative 9, 4. So option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, write the coordinates of the after translation 18 unit left and 1 unit up. So 18 unit left. So subtract 18 from x component, x coordinate, not component. 8 minus 18, negative 10, negative 10, negative 8, negative 8. 1 up, add 1 to y coordinate. 4 and 1, 5. 6 and 1, 7. 6 and 1, 7. 4 and 1, 5, right? So which is the new coordinates? Hold on. Yes, that is. Second option is the correct one, right? Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next one. The next one is translations, write the rules. So basically, these are the rules we are applying when you are adding to. J dash K dash is a translation of JK. Write the translation rule. You have to see how much points they move down and how much left, right? That move left, right? How many left? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 7 point left. No, not seven. Eight, nine, 10 left, right? It would be x plus negative 10 because you move 10 left. Hold on, one, two. For k, I'm looking one, two. No, k dash. Move one, two, three, four. This is the translated, right? One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10. You moved 10 right, right? So it would be positive. And how many up from J to J dash? One, two, three, four, five, six. You move six up, 10 right, and six up, right? So the rule is x plus 10 and y plus 6. Got it? That is the rule. That's what we did in the last lesson, right? Let's just start with the test question, right? Okay. P dash Q dash is translation of PQ. Write the translation rule. Okay. Let's see how much P is moved up, right? From here to move here. That means you moved up. How many up? 1, negative 8, 9, 10, 11. That means you moved up 11. Up is x. That means y plus 11. And for Q, you moved right. How many right? 1 and 4. 5 right. No. 1 and 5, 6 right. That means x plus 6 and y plus 11. Got it? The second option is the correct one. Got it? Okay. So T dash U dash is a translation of TU. What is the translation rule? Okay. T is move right. How much right? 6 and 1, 7. And U is moved up. How much up? 5 and 5, 10 points up. So that is 7 and 10. Right? The correct option is 7 and 10. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, W dash X dash is the translation of WX. Write the translation rule. Okay, W you moved right. How much right? 9. From negative 9 you move. That means you moved 8 point right. Right? And X move up. How much up? 4 and 9, 13 point up. That is 8 and 13. Right? The correct option is 8 and 13. Option 2 is the correct option. Okay. S dash T dash is the translation of ST. Write the translation rule. Okay. S is moved right. How much right? 9 and 2, 11. Right? And then T moved up 2 and 5, 7 moved up. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 5 up. Sorry. That is 11 and 5. Right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay. R dash S dash is the translation of RS. What? Write the translation rule. Okay, so you moved right. How much right? 4 and 8, 12 right. And you move up 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5 up. How? 6. Yes, 5. The option 2 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is reflection. Graph the image. Let's just see how do we reflect. Okay, triangle LMN after a reflection across the x-axis. So when it is reflected along the x-axis, like that is the new one is the image of inverted image of LMN, right? It would be like this. You can see here. This is the inverted image, right? Got it? Here is the new image. That is the reflection of this one. So they have the same coordinates as here, but all the coordinates are have different signs now, right? Okay. Graph the image QRST reflection across the y-axis. Okay, you have to make across the y. So it would be here. This is the translated image. T dash, S dash, Q dash, sorry, rotated. T dash, reflected. T dash, S dash, Q dash, and R dash. That is the translated, no, reflected image. See this one. Okay, let's just do the next lesson in which you have to calculate the coordinates also. Reflections, find the coordinates. Okay, find the coordinates of the vertices after a reflection across the x-axis. So the reflected image is like this. This is G dash, this is H dash, because that is a reflection across x-axis, right? Coordinates of G is E, this is E and this is F. E is now 10 and negative 10. X is negative 10, Y is 10 because that is the reflection along x-axis. So now all the Y values are positive, right? F is negative 8 and 10, that is negative 8 and 1, and that is negative 10 and 1. The X values are all exactly same, just the Y values are same values, just with different sign. See here, 10, 10, 1, 1. Let's just see test questions. Okay, coordinate. Write the coordinate of the vertices after a reflection across the x-axis. You have to reflect across the x-axis, right? It would be then from x-axis. X coordinates are exactly same. Negative 5, 3 and negative 5. Just y values have different change opposite sign, right? That would be negative 5 and 8, 3 and 8, negative 5 and 0, right? So they are negative 5, 8, 3, 8, 5, 0, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. So when it is a reflection across the x-axis, the x coordinates are exactly same. The y coordinates are the same, but they have the different sign are different. Negative 5, negative 8, 3. Sorry, negative 5, 8, 3, 8, and negative 5, 0. Yes, option number 2 is the correct option. Sorry. Option 2 is the correct option. So when that is a reflection across x-axis, the x values are same, exactly same. The y values, only their sign is changed, right? Okay, write the coordinates of the vertex after reflection across the y-axis. Okay, now you are going to reflect across y-axis. So y values would be the same. Just x values, the sign of the x values are changed. Negative 6, negative 6, negative 2. It would be 9, 5, and 10. Got it? So option number 1 is the correct option. So if it is the reflection along x-axis, the x coordinates are same, the sign of the y coordinates are changed, right? And if that is a reflection across y-axis, the y coordinates are same, just the sign of x coordinates are changed, right? Okay, what are the coordinates of the vertices after a reflection of x coordinate, x-axis? Okay, that is a reflection of x, so x coordinate must be same, just the sign of y is changed. 10, 10, 1 and 1, that would be option 2, I think, is the correct one, right? Option number 2 is the correct option, right? Okay, the next one is write the coordinate of the vertices after a reflection across the y. Okay, you are going to reflect the on the y-axis, so y coordinates must be same. Just the x values, the sign of the x values are changed, right? So that would be 3, 3, 3, 2 and 2, 0, 8, 8, 0. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? When reflection, just the sign is changed, not the values, right? Okay. Write the coordinates of the vertices after a reflection across the x-axis. So x coordinates are same. The sign of the y coordinates are changed. That is negative 9, negative 9, 1, 7, 2, 7. Negative 9, negative 9, 1, negative 9, negative 9, 1. Second one is the correct option, right? Okay, we're done with the lesson. So we were working on grade 10 math. Chapter we're working on is transformations. The lessons we have covered today are classify congruence transformations, translations, graph the image, translations, find the coordinates, translations, write the rule, reflections, graph the image, and reflections, find the coordinates, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that will be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. Right? So if you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.